Hi there, Erica here, coming to you from the Traci redesign team, and today is Theme Thursday, that theme being spring. And nothing reminds me of spring in Seattle like rain, as usual, but we get small visits from the sun, which creates some rainbows. So today I'm playing around with some distress oxides, creating some splatters on my page, as well as wringing out the bristles by squeezing them together with my fingers. That gives you those nice fat splotches. Next, I am taking this over to my sewing machine just to make some quick zigzags for added contrast and texture. Now, this piece of ephemera was included in the Traci Reed Keep Chasing Rainbows collection. I just enlarged it in the Canva phone app. If there is enough interest, I'd be happy to post some videos on how to do that as well, but I just mounted it on some foam adhesive. Now, I know paper pads are a thing of the past, but sometimes when you order paper, you do get some pieces of chipboard or even cardboard in the mail. I save all of these pieces and glue them together because this is what I use for dimension. So all of my pieces of ephemera as well as my photos, I have mounted on this conglomerate of chipboard, if you will, and cardboard. So I am just clustering all of the elements together. As you can see, I tried to match them with the color of the letters as well as the Distress Oxide color behind it. And I typed up some journaling on my We Are Memory Keepers typewriter, and I just talk about how my kiddo just comes alive during arts and crafts. She absolutely loves it. There's a sparkle in her eyes when she gets to be creative, and I love being able to be there and spend some time with her. So I'm just lastly repeating the date stamp at the top of all 3 photos, and that is it. It's pretty simple, but still just the right amount of messy. So I hope this inspired you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!